Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be one of my most highly requested videos. So in today's video, I'm going to review these lip liners. These are the MN or the Me Now second generation True Lips lip liner pencils. So I'm going to review these today on my channel, as well as I'm going to do lip swatches for all the 12 shades. So if you guys are interested to know more about these lip liners, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I am going to start with the review first, and then I'm going to move on to the lip swatches. And if you guys are here just for the lip swatches, then I will provide you guys with the timestamp somewhere over here. If you want, you can skip to that part and watch that. So let's begin with the price of these lip pencils. So basically these lip pencils are priced at different prices on different websites. You will be able to find them within rupees 200 to rupees 300, but yes, as I told you guys, that they are priced at different prices on different websites. They are available on Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, ShopClues, everywhere. You will be able to find them in few Instagram stores as well. So make sure you do your own research before getting these. Now I got mine at rupees 200 from Amazon. However, I had to pay rupees 50 extra as shipping charge. So I would say that I got this entire set at rupees 250. So basically this set has 12 lip liners in it. So I would say that I got 12 lip liners for only rupees 250. So I'm sure you can understand how affordable and how inexpensive these lip liners are. And in case you are wondering, then yes, these are made in China. This is a Chinese product. Now, all the 12 lip liners come in a pink and white cardboard box like this. I would say that I like the outer packaging because it's very cute and girly. It has pink and white in it with pink flowers, so it is quite girly and very cute. Now on the box I can see that it says that this is cruelty free, but since the product is made in China, I'm not quite sure of China's cruelty free policies, so I can really not talk about that. Now on the side of the packaging I can also see that it has its own ingredient list, which is again something great, because in case if you are allergic to something, you will be able to see that. In this ingredient list I can also see carmine, so this is definitely not a vegan product. On the back of the cardboard box I can see a few claims. So it says that this is waterproof, it has multivitamins, and this is enriched with aloe vera. I'm just going to take out the lip liners and show it to you guys. So basically this is how the lip liners look. So basically these are wooden lip liner pencils, and their bottoms as well as their caps are color coded. Now these don't come with their own sharpener, so you will have to sharpen them separately with a separate sharpener. Now these lip liners don't have any shade names, however they are numbered. They have their shade numbers, and the shelf life is also mentioned here on the lip liner, and the shelf life is 24 months. The total amount of product that you're getting in each lip liner is 1 gram. Let me just swatch one of these for you and show you guys how smooth these are. So I'm going to swatch it over here, and you can see how smooth these are. These are quite pigmented, however there are a few shades which are not this pigmented and which are a bit patchy. And I'll quickly show you the lip swatches, and then I'll come back and talk a bit more about these lip pencils. Okay guys, so I just took off my lipstick because I will be swatching these lip liners on my lips right now. But before that guys, I want to tell you something, that is, this is a Chinese product. So if you are getting it for yourself, make sure that you do a patch test before you directly apply it on your lips, because you never know what you are allergic to. So, and the second thing that I want to tell you guys is that make sure that you are prepping your lips really well, because few of the lip liners over here have a drier formula, and since they have a dry formula, kind of accumulates and becomes clumpy. So make sure you're prepping your lips well, because in that way it works the best. And for prepping your lip, all you need to do is just apply a lip balm, and then just take off the excess lip balm with a tissue paper, and then go in with the lip liners, and that works the best guys, trust me. Now coming to the lasting power of these lip liners, well, I've seen that these lip liners stay on my lips for roughly 5 to 6 hours. However, by the end of the day, it starts wearing off from the inside of my mouth, and I would say that these are quite long lasting. However, if you are eating oily food, it will come off. Now, I have seen a lot of people saying that these are not drying on their lips, but for me personally, I felt that these are quite drying on the lips, and if you guys find them drying as well, I would suggest you guys to prep your lips before applying this. Just apply any lip balm or anything to moisturize your lips and take off the excess and then go in with these lip pencils. In that way, it is not going to be that drying on the lips, and I've seen that with time it kind of makes your lips more dry. So when you first apply it, it's not that drying, but with time it kind of makes your lips more drying. So I would suggest you guys to prep your lips before you apply it. On the back of the cardboard box, it also stated that this is waterproof, which is true. This is definitely waterproof, and yes, I think with that I pretty much covered everything. So yes, that's pretty much for today's video. If you don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the small notification bell near it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.